This is Rick Mishka with Short Arm Solutions Cyber Pro Podcast, coming at you with our second educational video for Cybersecurity Month and the second of our 4 focused on the DRs, not doctors, but detection and response. We're about to unravel the mysteries of this cybersecurity hero with a twist of humor, of course. We'll define EDR, explore its significance in today's digital landscape, and understand how it helps organizations protect their endpoints all in about 5 minutes or less. It'll be a whale of a good time. EDR stands for Endpoint Detection and Response. It's all about protecting your digital devices from the clueless, or worse, bad actors in and outside your environment. In a world filled with ever-evolving cyber threats, traditional security measures such as firewalls and antivirus software alone are no longer enough. EDR provides real-time visibility into endpoint activities, enabling organizations to detect and respond to threats more effectively. Imagine EDR as the superhero of the cybersecurity world, quietly watching over your computers, laptops, and smartphones, just like a digital Superman for your devices. EDR has algorithms and sensors ready to thwart the bad guy's evil plans. It can detect various types of threats, including malware, ransomware, and insider threats. EDR is the #1 way to detect indicators of concern before they become indicators of compromise, and has been proven to catch zero-day and previously unknown ransomware threats before they can blast your network with kryptonite. EDR comes equipped with fancy gadgets like real-time monitoring, threat detection, and instant response mechanisms. EDR has this uncanny ability to sniff out the tiniest whiff of malware, ransomware, or other digital nasties. It's like a cyber bloodhound on the trail. When danger is detected, EDR springs into action faster than a caffeinated chipmunk on rollerblades. It isolates the threat and kicks it out, all while you're sipping your morning coffee. EDR tools provide cybersecurity professionals with the information needed to investigate incidences specific to endpoints. They also assist in the remediation process, helping to remove threats from affected endpoints. EDR isn't just about flashy moves and hurdling a building in a single bound. It's also a top-notch detective. It investigates incidents, gathers evidence, and finds out who let the cyber dogs out. When a threat is detected, EDR initiates an incident response process. This may involve isolating affected endpoints, gathering forensics data, and containing that threat. So what superhero is EDR? You probably guessed Superman. You might be right, but EDR is not completely bulletproof, and there might be another DR that fits Superman better. I would argue today that EDR is more similar to Iron Man. EDR is all about safeguarding the endpoint, just as Tony Stark protects himself with his suit. EDR solutions like Iron Man's armor provide robust protection and advanced capabilities for endpoint security. EDR comes with machine learning, just like Jarvis, Tony's AI assistant. EDR is a little cocky, surprises you with the amount of solutions it actually provides in a single software, and protects against bad things that would not expect to be able to. Iron Man's suit is ultimately an endpoint. To implement EDR, make sure all your devices are covered. Even that dusty old desktop in the corner deserves protection. But remember, EDR works on servers, virtual machines, desktops, workstations, and laptops, but not so much on mobile devices. Primarily, the core difference of that is the lack of kernel access available to mobile devices, which limits the efficacy of incident response, kill chain reconstruction, and proactive threat hunting for traditional EDR solutions. With EDR, you get the last laugh in the cybersecurity game, detecting threats early, responding swiftly, and safeguarding your digital world, especially from ransomware and attacks that target the humans, the users that use your endpoints.